Man, if this is the oddest thing, you know, like
For your
the,
hand.
you know, there's a
He thinks, oh,
there's a carp,
you're going to catch?
and he's in
Oh, he said, "That's
shallow
not
water,
cheese."
It's not cheese. Or is he going to eat
and he's so lucky because right beside
it?
him
He will eat it. I think
This
I think
carp
he did.
is a
Yeah, and he's eating the white bread as well.
Another one there.
Yeah. So that's
blue
just all
heron.
food.
Or blue heron, sorry. And you won't get any closer to one of these birds.
Sometimes
You
he
know,
comes
unless
and
he's
sits on the railing.
totally
There's not many people.
domesticated.
Oh,
But
see?
It's
this
quite
blue heron is just right here. He just loves
Cool.
people. So,
No, there's two now.
how cool is that?
Yeah,
There.
yeah.
How cool is that?
There's a lot more than that about.
And then,
I think it's because of the sun as well.
Yeah.
The water must be quite warm.
yeah, again, right beside the
This part.
heron is two carp swimming up. Let's see if you can see
But
them.
there must be small fish in the lake as well.
Must have.
For the heron as well.
Big
you know,
carp.
when people
Oh,
don't,
they're heading back out.
so there's got to be small fish.
So I guess, yeah, carp's a little bit too much to eat for the heron.
And again, there's always,
Yeah, that's pretty
there's
wild
always
stuff.
people coming
Cheers.
up here to feed them